Do you think being rich is all about having millions in the bank or owning luxury cars? Think again. What if I told you that in 2025, wealth isn't just measured by money? It's about freedom, choices, and living life on your terms. Are you on the path of new rich? Stay till the end, and you'll discover 10 undeniable signs that you're part of this exclusive club and how you can amplify these traits in your life. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the Wealthy channel to get a daily dose of wealth to make sure you are on the right path. Let's go to sign number 1. You prioritize freedom over money. A survey found that 72% of millennials and Gen Z value time freedom over a high salary. If you're structuring your life to work on your terms rather than a rigid 9 to 5, you're embodying the mindset of the new rich. Tim Ferriss in the 4-Hour Workweek says it best. People don't want to be millionaires. They want the experiences they think only millions can buy. Chasing freedom doesn't mean abandoning ambition. It means aligning your efforts with what truly matters. Ask yourself, am I building a life of options or am I a prisoner of my paycheck? Build multiple income streams, leverage passive income, and live below your means to gain financial independence sooner. Freedom means controlling your time, choosing whom to work with and where to live. The new rich will not wait for retirement to live. They design a lifestyle where work supports life, not the other way around. Are you one of them? Sign number 2. You focus on experiences over things. The new rich measure wealth in memories, not material possessions. Many fall into the trap of chasing the social media lifestyle. Latest gadgets, luxury cars, or designer clothes, believing these items will bring happiness. Spending money on depreciating assets while neglecting what truly enriches life. Experiences that create lasting joy. Here's a shift. Instead of buying a $1,000 handbag, you'd rather spend it on a memorable trip or skill that enriches your life. Experiences bring lasting happiness, unlike material possessions. If you skipped upgrading your car or smartphone, instead you plan a foreign trip with your family. Years later, the memories still bring you joy. So invest in memories, not just materials. Number 3, you've adopted a growth mindset. Wealth begins in the mind, not the bank account. Yet, too many people make the mistake of settling into a fixed mindset, believing their talents, intelligence, or circumstances are static. Carol S. Dweck explains in Mindset, the view you adopt for yourself profoundly affects the way you lead your life. And the only real limitation is the one you place on yourself. The effect of a fixed mindset. It creates a fear of failure, paralyzes ambition, and leaves potential unrealized, trapping people in mediocrity. Embrace a growth mindset by seeing challenges as opportunities to improve and failures as valuable lessons. With a growth mindset, setbacks become stepping stones, and success is inevitable for those who persevere. New rich will understand that true wealth is built through evolving, adapting, and growing. Number 4, you make money work for you. Here's a hard truth. If your money isn't growing while you sleep, you're working too hard. Don't make a mistake of relying solely on earned income, chasing paychecks without realizing the power of passive income. The result? You may stay stuck in a cycle of working harder for diminishing returns with no time to truly enjoy life. Start by investing. Whether it's in real estate, stocks, a side business, or even intellectual property like books or courses. Let your money compound and generate returns while you sleep. Understand that wealth isn't just about income. It's about assets that grow without your constant effort. Make your money your most loyal employee. It doesn't take sick days, complain, or clock out early. Number 5, you've mastered delayed gratification. Here's a question for you. Would you rather have $100 today or $1,000 in a year? If you chose the latter, congratulations. You've mastered delayed gratification. Studies show this trait is a better predictor of success than IQ. Let me share you the personal story. My friend wanted an iPhone but decided to invest in his online course business instead. 6 months later, his $1,200 investment brought him $10,000 in profit, and then he buys latest iPhone. The new rich delay pleasures today for massive rewards tomorrow. The next time you're tempted to splurge, ask, is this helping or hindering my future self? Number 6, you invest in health as wealth. What's the point of money if you're too sick to enjoy it? You need to prioritize physical and mental health, knowing it's the foundation of all success. According to WHO, people who invest in wellness spend 50% less on healthcare costs over their lifetime. If you spend an hour daily on fitness and mindfulness, you will become sharper, more productive, and enjoys life to the fullest. Energy and focus are priceless assets in the modern world. Your health is your greatest ROI. Make it non-negotiable. Number 7. You build relationships strategically. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." The new rich intentionally build networks that uplift and inspire. Instead of gossiping during coffee breaks, attend workshops and connect with mentors who share their vision. High-quality relationships are a gateway to opportunities and growth. Audit your circle. Are they pushing you forward or holding you back? Number 8. You're tech-savvy and adaptable. If you thrive to embrace technology and adapt to change with agility, congratulations, you are on the path of richness. Treating technology as optional in a world where it's mandatory for success. The effect of being tech-averse? Limited earning potential, reduced competitiveness, and an inability to future-proof one's career or business. The new rich don't fear technology. They harness it to multiply their impact. Adaptability is the new survival skill, and technology is the lever that moves the world. Stop making excuses. Start mastering the tools shaping the future. Number 9. You're skilled in financial literacy. Did you know 65% of millionaires track their spending and stick to a budget? The new rich don't just earn, they manage and multiply their wealth. Without financial knowledge, higher income often leads to higher debt. Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover explains it perfectly. You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. Invest in learning the basics: budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding compound interest. In 2025, financial literacy isn't optional. It's the ultimate flex. Remember, every dollar you master today is one less dollar you'll regret losing tomorrow. Number 10. You give back to society. Here's a paradox. The more you give, the richer you feel, which is an actual richness. The new rich prioritize making a positive impact, whether through donations, mentoring, or community work. Philanthropists report higher levels of life satisfaction than those who don't give. Contribution creates a legacy beyond money. True wealth is about leaving the world better than you found it. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Which of these signs do you see in yourself, and which ones will you work on? Let us know in the comments. Remember, the new rich aren't just born, they're made. Start your journey today. Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next interesting one. Until then, keep growing.